Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis many times before, but want to get things updated as some questions came in. And I don't know really what else to say other than, business as usual. Yet another gap down and on big volume. So just more and more selling, has hit the chart. And, now if you're brand new to this, that probably doesn't make much sense. But if you've been tracking this one, heck, even for the past month or couple months, let alone the past year, then you know that this thing has just been an absolute bloodbath for the bulls. And that doesn't seem to be changing at any time right now. However, to give credit where credit's due towards the bulls, sometimes when the bulls make appearances, they can have some very, very nice bounces. So that's why I like to kind of just always track this one, always keep an eye on it, because even though, from the grand scheme of things, it's been a bloodbath. Within the bloodbath, there have been some profitable opportunities with some very nice bounces. And, that's why it's worth kind of just mapping out and keeping an eye on where levels of support and resistance are. So the first level of support right now is just simply coming from where the bleeding finally stopped. And the bleeding today stopped right there at $1.17. So a gap down, kept pulling back, and then finally some buyers stepped in at $1.17, and then you can see they showed up once again in the late afternoon by supporting the price. So $1.17 is the current level of support. Would it be shocking at all to see the bears just press down through there? No, that would not be shocking at all. So I bring that up because just because it's a level of support right now, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So because buyers are hanging out there as of today, doesn't mean that they're for sure going to hang out there there tomorrow. So these are definitely types of trades and charts where if you can't manage risk, if you can't honor a stop loss, all that good stuff, then just stay away because, they can really turn you into a massive bag holder if you let them. But as it stands right now, according to the story of the chart, there are currently people willing to buy at $1.17. What about areas of resistance? If any sort of bounce at all is going to get started, it's all about that level right there at $1.25. You can see several times during the course of the day, bulls try to get up through that $1.25 mark and couldn't quite do it. So again, any sort of chance at all that the bulls actually can start to gain some momentum and perhaps create some sort of worthwhile bounce, $1.25, that initial level that first needs to be broken. So again, new lows for this one, but there was quite a bit of volume that came in today, so we'll see how the rest of this week plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.